one person in the group who is the master drummer. They're the leader. And they have to tell everyone else when to start, when to stop, when to play something different.
Okay, now we're going to learn djembe pattern 2. This one uses our slap sound. That was the third sound we learned, and it was the one at the side of our djembe. So should we just have a practice of how to play this slap sound? Now Mike told us to start at the top with our tone position, and we slide our hands round, bring them in a little bit and spread them apart, get those thumbs out of the way, and can we just practice playing 4 slaps together? You ready after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hello, I am going to teach you now some South African gumboot dance. Okay, let's put all of this together now. Hey! 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 Hey!
Hey guys, so now what we're going to have a go at is doing a 6-beat improvisation. Okay, and so that's like the solos that we did before in our other pieces. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to take my rhythm.
All from Inspire Works, and we are today going to show you how to play some Brazilian samba drumming. We're going to have great fun. But the first thing we're going to do is learn how to play lots of rhythms on our bodies. Can you stand up just where you are?
Our rhythm stays the same, but we want to make sure that we dampen the whole time. Keep your hand at the top, fingers down.
We're going to put all the 3 parts together so you can see how it fits with these 3 swoops. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're finding the go-go part nice and easy. Let's make some changes to make it a little bit harder. We're going to keep the same words, but we're going to change the positions of the high bell and the low bell as we play them, okay? Now listen carefully.
Always has a little bit of movement in samba, and we're going to teach you some dance moves now while you play.
I have changed my drum, and this is a timba that you would find played in this style of samba reggae music from this northern part of Brazil. I'm going to put that play this in Punjab rhythm with the tili and the snare into our piece. So if you are playing a dagga or a floor tom, just stick doing 1, 2, 3 dagga 3 times and then have a rest for the 4th time while you hear us play this in Punjab. Shall we try that all together? Jack, do you want to count us in?
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ready, go. Cross, raise, rack, cross, raise, rack, go. Ready, go. So you can see how we can really imitate the sounds of the drum kit with my bass, imitating Jack's bass drum. I get a loud one there to imitate the snare, but also I can imitate some of the hi-hat by doing some of those ghost notes as well. If you are playing a cajon alongside someone on the drum kit, find your own space. Find something different to do. I was playing the first djembe pattern. Annie, you've got a different pattern.
I do, I have another one. Okay, so we're going to start by singing the rhythm first.
Well, like Mike said, we have 3 dunans. All 3 of these drums are dunans, but you can see they're all different sizes. And each dunan of each different size has its own name. So this smallest dunan right here that I have is called kenkeni.
In West Africa, they don't just have djembes and dunans like we've seen so far.
Wow, now I have a drum called a pan logo, typically found in Ghana.